Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, whichever one currently applies to you. My name is Tyler Adler. I'm the president and owner of Prescottech IT support and computer repair. Today I wanted to talk about our virus immune computers that run off of Linux Mint. Now I've had a lot of customers ask recently, if I buy one of your virus immune computers, will I be able to do everything I could do on Windows? Like watching my YouTube videos, going to email, writing Word documents, editing pictures? Well, today what I'd like to do is I'd like to cover all of the different things that we can do with the Linux Virus Immune computer. To start with, I'd like to show you down at the bottom left-hand side of the screen there's a little button that says Menu. This is the equivalent to the button that says Start on Windows. It's what brings everything up on the system. We can hit the menu button, and here is all of our applications. Each application has its own category that it's under. What we want is the category Internet. And the web browser that we use by default is called Google Chrome, a very fast web browser. Now with Google Chrome open, first thing, let's try going to a YouTube video. Everything works, everything plays. How about full screen mode? Everything works in full screen mode as well. Next, let's try going to another website. My website, Prescottech.com, has a YouTube video embedded in it. Let's click on this. Next, I'd like to show you how to use OpenOffice. It's the equivalent to what is Microsoft Office. Again, let's go to Menu. And in the subcategory Office, we want to go to OpenOffice.org Word Processor. Here we can see OpenOffice. It does all the same things Microsoft Office can do. We have our fonts, spell check, ability to change font color, even insert photos. In some ways it has even more control and functionality than Microsoft Office does. One thing we don't have to worry about is incompatibility. OpenOffice is completely compatible with Microsoft Office documents. Another question people have had is Microsoft Excel. Again, we can go to Menu, Office. Let's go to OpenOffice.org Spreadsheet. We can see here the same application as Microsoft Excel. We have all the same functionality as you would with Microsoft Excel. The last question people had was about editing photos with something like Adobe Photoshop. There is no Adobe Photoshop for Linux, but there is a free equivalent. It's called GIMP. Let's go to Menu, Graphics, GIMP Image Editor. Here we have all the same functionality as Adobe Photoshop. Let's open a picture. File, Open, Pictures. Here's a default picture that came with the system. Just an example, let's try our smudging tool. Let's try cropping to selection. GIMP gives you all the functionality of Adobe Photoshop. The only thing GIMP cannot do is edit third-dimensional pictures as Photoshop has the ability to. Other than that, GIMP gives you all the ability of Adobe Photoshop. That's all for now. But if you have any other questions about what the virus immune computer can do, please leave a comment to this post, and I'll put up another video explaining what it can do in what way. Thank you and have a great day.